Hi everyone, good morning from Singapore. Hi guys, welcome to the webinars. Oh. Alright, let's just wait for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll start the session today. So today I'm going to talk about trading strategy. So how does the Martingale strategy works? Okay. If you have any questions, just leave your question at the comment below. Alright, I will try to answer all the questions. Okay. Okay, I will just maybe wait 1 more minute. Alright, we'll start the section very soon. Hi everyone. Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, wherever you are. Good evening from Singapore. Hi guys, welcome to the webinar. I'm going to start the session very soon. Okay. So today, like I just mentioned, just want to talk about Martingale strategies. Okay, if you have any question, just leave your question in the comment below. All right, I'll answer all your question. Okay, I just want to don't want to keep you guys waiting. Let's just our session for today. Okay. Disclaimer before the webinar as usual, guys. Remember that everything in this video is educational in nature. Okay, nothing should be construed as investment or trading advice. If you come to trade, please do your own due diligence before you guys trade. Okay, and last warning, which I just want to highlight over here. Okay, trading forex and CFD carry a high level of risk to your capital, and you should only trade with your money that you can afford to lose. Okay, and trading forex CFD may not suitable for all investors, so please come enjoy the webinar and study together. Okay, the agenda today that I'm going to talk about is Martingale strategy. How does the Martingale strategies work, and what are the pros and cons of these strategies, and limitation of Martingale strategies. Okay. Hi guys, so introducing your host today, my name is Peggy. I'm an investment analyst and a prop trader as well. Even to know about prop firm, you may just Google. Alright, so what is the Martingale strategy? I believe as a trader, every one of us should know what is Martingale strategy. Okay, so basically the strategy is involved in doubling the loss side of the trade after each loss, right? So basically, if you look at the chart, for example, if you let me open the chart. Okay, maybe trading well for more understanding. Let's just long in. So basically, let's say you trade gold. Okay, you buy gold like maybe 1 lot. Okay, and the price keeps falling. Okay, let me just give me 1 minute. Like you buy gold 1 lot. Okay, and I cannot sign into my. Okay. Okay. You just see something like that. So basically, yeah, with the goal of recovering the previous losses and gain a profit equal to the original stake upon a successful trade. Okay, if you look at the chart, just for example, okay, let's say now I'll just look at gold, basically at gold now, right? For example, if you buy here, like we already know, let's say you buy here, okay, one lot and price is falling, right? Because you want to buy here, you expected the price will right revert from this level at maybe like this blue box, right? And price keep coming down, and then you already martingale, right? This one you martingale, which is one lot, you just double lot size become two lot over here, one lot and two lot. So price is reversed here. Okay, usually for the martingale strategy, if you like doubling your lot size here, maybe price go halfway, the total is either like break even, or you just maybe earn a little bit, you will close the position. That's why martingale strategy is require a lot of capital. Okay, that is what, for example, okay, let's say okay, let me see here. Okay, let me see. Okay, let's say you are betting, for example, easy to understand, which I just mentioned, you betting or $1, for example. After a loss, you place another bet, maybe $2, okay, and maybe the next bet you might get another $4. So eventually you will cover with what you have lost and win back the original bet, which is $1 after the win. Okay, and easy to see here, you lose one, you double another maybe 2, and then you double again, which is 4, and then eventually you win 4 and another 4, so become $8. Okay, and key to consider, okay, for risk and reward, again, martingale strategy in a system assumes unlimited fund and no bet limit, which is a rarely in case, right? It can lead to significant losses at the bet size increase exponentially. Okay, short term versus long term, if you want to use martingale strategy, okay, it can be successful in the short term, but martingale strategy is a risky over the long term, as a potential for the large losses increases, and you may hit the limit, or exhaust your like bankroll, right? So if you want to trade like martingale strategy, I think it requires a lot of capital. Okay, this is an example over here. You buy here one lot, right, and price keep falling, and then maybe you double, you buy another 2 lot because you need to martingale, because now buy here you expected the price to go up, right, but price keep falling and falling, and then you have another lot size is buy 4 lot, buy another 8 lot, and eventually here maybe you buy 16 lot, right? And from here you expected that price will go up, either maybe up to here, either you break even, or either you recover your loss and then you close all the position, right? That's why if from here, okay, you need to either close with break even. And what you can see here, maybe you want to like buy like another 16 lot, because you know that this is might be your key support level. And then you can see from here, price go up here, your hand close is still ranging within like this level, and then eventually they go up to here. Okay, if you lucky, maybe from here, if you just all the way up to your buy lot here, meaning if you go up to here, you will win a lot, you have a big win, right? But usually for martingale strategy, if you layer like this, price will go up halfway, which is you earn either a little bit or break even, will close all the position. Okay, because if you buy here 16 lot, let's say price keep going, you will lose a lot as well. Okay, like pro and con. Okay, just talk about pro and con. Of course, martingale strategy is simple and easy to implement. The rule of martingale strategy are really straightforward, which I just mentioned. Okay, it's making it easy for everyone to understand and apply, and whether it's gambling or trading in contact. Like I say, you buy one lot for gold, price keep falling, you just double lot size, which is 2 lot, right? Because you expected, you think that you hoping that price will reverse. Okay, that's why you either you layer in zone or you double your lot size. Okay, for the pro, okay, for the secondary short-term success, of course, can be effective in a short term. Okay, so the trader may see a quick profit, but as for the long term, it can end up losing a lot of money. Okay, so I not recommended you trade with like Martingale strategy unless you have unlimited capital and then you're willing to lose that money. Okay, maybe that works for you. Okay, recover losses. Okay, the main appeal for strategy is its potential to recover all previous losses. So maybe you just make a one win plus gain a profit equal to original stake. Okay, but that if you look here, of course pro only maybe 3, but you look at the cons, okay, like side maybe at least 5, which I found. Okay, risk of significant losses. Of course, when you trade with Martingale strategy, it require you a lot of capital. So you can win big and lose big as well. Okay, capital required, which I just say that it's like unlimited, and you require a lot of capital or fund to trade with this strategy. Okay, no improvement, which is this strategy does not improve in the player winning. So basically, it just try to recover your loss in the short term. Okay. Psychological stress, of course, like if you buy gold, for example, 1 lot and price keep falling, and then you double lot size with 2 lot, and then of course you start to get panic. You really have the stress whether price keep falling, and then you double your lot size, and then you hoping that price will reverse, at least cover your like cover to your break even, or maybe if you lucky enough, you just like have a big win. Okay, so I think this is quite a very stressful when you trade with Martingale strategies. Okay, for the last one is sustainable in the long term. Like I say, over the long term, okay, the risk of losing the money is very big. So like I say, for the short term, yeah, you can get like recover your loss quickly, but in the long term you may lose the money or can be bankrupt as well. Okay, so not recommended you to have like Martingale strategies unless you manage your loss size. Okay, and then you have the money that you're willing to lose. Okay, the example which I just show you guys just now, like I say, if this is just a good example, but if you know how to trade, we know that if we will sell at the resistance, we buy at the support. Nobody want to buy at the this resistance level. Or maybe this person, they put a pending order for buy stop maybe, and then trigger the buy entry, and then price reward. Maybe here you put another 2 lot, all right, and then you may buy another 1 lot, buy another 2 lot, buy another 1 lot, and then you buy another 2 lot here, and then price reward, meaning from here, reward from here. Okay, you get 2 lot, 1 lot, this one and this one. So basically until up to here, you the total the balance, I think you will get a positive, which is, even though this one is still a negative, overall you will win for this trade. But you see that how many lot size that you have to place, and how many the capital that you need for Martingale strategies. Okay, the reverse Martingale strategy, anti-Martingale strategy is same one. So basically, to be honest, I don't really okay, for this one, for example, this one, I think this is a good like reverse one, for example, because for this one, I think the person like buy over here, okay, and then price is falling here, and then you buy another one, and then you buy another one. Oh no, sorry, you buy from here. So this one is good, this is a reverse one. So basically you buy here, okay, price is going, and then you know that you want to have another buy order here, which is this one is good because you buy in the correct direction from here, right? From here you buy 1 lot, and then you use the profit to buy another maybe half lot here, and then half of then, and then like half of the 0.15, which is this one. To me, sometimes I will do this, okay, which is the first position, I have the positive, and then the next one I will buy either the same lot size here or half of the lot size of what the initial trade. Okay, and Martingale forex, like I just mentioned, like yeah, we already know that it's very popular strategy in the forex market. Okay, currency, unlike stock, almost never stop to zero. Like I said, this method it requires you to have infinite money, or you know, you have a lot of capital basically, because the money in your pocket is always going to be less than the chance that the next operation is a loser or price gone against you. Okay, and now let's say if you want to trade with your Martingale strategy. Okay, I think trade management for Martingale strategy is very important. Okay, one is you need to have risk management. Okay, which is one, limit exposure, or basically you limit the maximum loss that you can afford. Okay, and then you set the lot limit. Basically you have to implement or put your stop loss order. Okay, and then capital allocation, so to ensure that the capital at risk is just a fraction of your total trading capital. So basically if you have like let's say 10k, okay, I think I recommend you to have a capital allocation, which is maybe you allocate maybe 5k to another trading account, and then you just put another 5k to, like, you know, you if you trade market strategy which is you willing to lose like 5k, not, you know, put every capital here 10k, because you end up you will just doubling your loss size, and then end up you might lose everything. Okay, and trade selection. So basically if you want to trade Martingale strategy, first of course you need to find the high probability trade setup. Okay, you need to choose to trade at the maybe market that offer the high probability of the success. Either you trade during the New York market or Europe market. Okay, maybe some of traders they don't trade during the Asian section. Okay, because they would think that there is not many volatile, okay, no volume, so they just wait for Europe or New York market. Okay, and market condition, like I say, be aware of market condition. Okay, this might affect the strategy performance. So if you trade gold during those like volatile, like New York section, for example. Okay, so if you want to have a Martingale strategy, I recommended you to have the smaller lot size. Okay, let's say if you think that you only can lose like one lot size, right, you might have to like divide. Okay, from one lot you might have to put either 0.25, and then maybe price keep going down, you have another like 0.25 or 0.5, but the maximum is not more than one lot. Okay, because during the New York section, okay, it's very volatile. I think for gold, price move up and down within like 100 pip, that very easy within 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, and profit target and withdraw. So basically you just have to set your profit target every day. Okay, for each trade subsequent, you aim to either you recover your losses or you make a small profit. Let's say if today, okay, you already use a Martingale strategy, you already, let's just say, lose 1k. Okay, that should be end of today. Okay, you're not going to like transfer or deposit another like 1k to just recover what you like lose today for 1k, because sometimes the market, it may not in your favor. Okay, so whatever you lose today, you can maybe earn back tomorrow, so try not to recover within the day. Okay, and withdraw the profit regularly. Let's say if you already win the profit, make it a habit to withdraw. Okay, you're not gonna like, you know, put the money there and then you kind of like make it like, you know, to grow your account. Some people say, okay, they can make from 1k to 10k. Okay, you can do that, but you know, usually if you have that, sometimes you may not draw the profit, right? Because you make from 1k to 2k, and then 3 to 4, you kind of like from small lot size, you want to grow your account, but I think try to withdraw your profit. Okay, at least like for 1k capital, you make a profit of 200-300, just withdraw. Okay, withdraw until like your 1k, which is a deposit, you withdraw up to 1k, and then the remaining is the profit. You just trade within the profit. Okay, if you lose your profit, then you don't feel anything because you already withdraw your capital. Okay, psychological pressure. So this you need to understand and the emotional impact, right? Because Martingale strategy can be really straightforward, like I mentioned, because it increases the stack of sizes and being mentally prepared for possible high and low in the closure. Okay, and you need to be disciplined, like I mentioned. If you lose, and then if you Martingale already you lose, and then you have to stop. Okay, close your laptop, close your don't look at your mobile phone. Just maybe the next day you come back and trade again. Because if you lose, like for example, you set a target that okay, today I'm willing to lose 1k, and then today the market is not in your favor, and then you lose 1k, you know you have kind of like leave trade, right? You want to get back, so enough you will lose more than 1k. So try not to deposit more than what you just set the target for, either lose for today. Okay, let me see. Any questions? So today it's very quite straightforward for Martingale strategy, like I mentioned. Okay, if I ask myself, yes, sometimes I do a Martingale strategy if I if like I want to recover my loss. Okay, for that trade. But of course I already said the max daily losses for like today. Okay, and then again, if price come to my zone, for example, and then I see that it's quite a big zone, I may have to spare my lot size. For example, like I mentioned, maybe I want to trade at one lot. Okay, and maybe this is the zone that I want to buy gold, for example. Here maybe price come down here. Okay, I might put like 0.2. okay, but then price keep coming down, I will put another 0.2 here, and then price keep coming down, I put 0.2. okay, I may not take it, I might put 0.2 here, 0.4, and maybe another 0.4. so end up here within the zone is only one lot. Okay, one lot, so I'm willing to lose like one lot, and I will put a stop loss below here. This should be my SL. So if price reverse and hit my SL, that's it, end of today. Or maybe I just maybe take a rest, and then maybe we'll trade again in another like section, either Europe or New York section. Okay, okay guys, that's for today. That is very straightforward for Martingale strategy. Okay, if you have any question, you can just let me know. Okay, if you don't have, I think we just maybe go to go to look at the chart. Okay, let me bring you to the chart today. Okay, let me just look at our goal, for example. Maybe look at DXY first. Okay, okay, now let's just have a quick look at DXY. You can see that DXY is falling. You can see GU and EU, Euro, EURUSD and GBUSD is like rising, but gold is still falling. So because I think nowadays I just observe dollar index and gold, they kind of have positive correlation, not negative already. Like the DXY is falling, gold also falling, but EU and GBPUSD is still rising, which is there are still negative correlation with dollar index. Okay. Okay, let's just look at DXY first. So what we can see here in the head 4, maybe I just go to daily time frame. Okay, what we can see here first, maybe we just identify the key support and key resistance. In daily time frame, this is our first support right here. Okay, you can see that we are kind of like pull back support level. Okay, that could have 38.2% fib level, which is line up with our first support right here. Okay, maybe stretch here a little bit. It's up to you. You can see it's very nice pull back. So basically for dollar index, we'll wait for price to come here and then bounce up. Okay, from this basically we wait for price to fall here. Okay, and then from here we expect the price will rise or bounce up from this level. Okay, this is like meaning that they're still falling, they still have a room for EUR to rise. Okay, to here what you can see here, this is my first support in head 4. Okay, for daily time frame, I still think that price still on valid momentum. Okay, for the daily time frame, because price still make higher high, higher low. Okay, for over here, this I still identify this my overlap support level. Okay, price still within in head 4 is still within the bullish channel line. Okay, they still within the bullish channel line here. You can see that, right? So expected price will come here and then if bounce up, but they did not come. I think they only come to this level. Okay, you can see that, and then bounce up from here. So now if price go up here, we use gonna sell here. No, I want to wait if price can break this resistance or not. Okay, because if yes, I'll wait at this level, because it's something like the level that that I'm looking for, which is second resistance. Okay, because as I did yesterday, if you just want to see for EURUSD, it's just a ranging like here. Okay, in head 4 it's just a ranging here. So now we have to wait whether price break above or break below. Okay, for the EU. But if you want to short from the first resistance, you just have to either wait for the confirmation in a lower time frame. Either you see the price action or rejection or any chart pattern or any divergence here in the lower time frame. Okay, for GU as well, GU I'm still wait here. Okay, I'll still wait right here, here. Okay, and as if you if yesterday you get this level, the price will rise and they break this recent high here, you have a price to pull back, you will get the entry at this level. Okay, which is now is overlap support level here. So basically still wait to short at this level. Okay, for the EU, still a short here. Okay, this is very nice level, and I think that could be like up with extension as well. Okay, just slightly above here. So this is the level that I'm waiting for. Okay, in head 4. So we do have any Fibo like yesterday, just go slightly above 61.8%, and then it's falling just a little bit, and then it's still rising. If you to use channel line, I think they're still within the bearish channel line here for the head 4 time frame. Okay, so they will go up and then it's still falling, because in daily time frame, if you to look, they are still in the bearish momentum. Okay, like yesterday daily, this is there, we do have supply zone here, right, for the daily time frame here yesterday. Okay, price still within the zone basically for the daily. Okay, so if you just go to head 4, okay, still within the zone here. Okay, and of course sharp and T, that will be here. I will highlight over here. Okay, we'll see, and maybe I'll just highlight the wick and the body here. This is the zone. Okay, we'll see whether price will come to this level, and then we're gonna short from here. We still have the room to go more, because a dollar index still can falling, And if you look at dollar index, they are also in the bearish channel line as well. So we expected the price still falling to our support level, and then we'll bounce off from here. Okay, we'll like, you know, from here, and then we'll bounce off at the head 4. Okay, you can see that. Oh, see, this is really nice overlap support level. Okay. Okay, still have the time to go more. Okay, another, let's say they break here, another one is second resistance is right here. If they really, like, you know, break above here, either if they really break above, you break above, pull back, then you buy. This is your TP. Okay, so now you have to wait. Now it's still haven't got anywhere yet. So this is our first support. Okay, if you short from here, you see the confirmation, you can short from here, you have TP right here. Okay, but if price break above, okay, you wait for price to pull back, like I mentioned, break above this, pull back, and then you go buy. Okay, and this is gonna be your first resistance. Okay, right here. Okay, they have put here. Okay, just hang on. For this one, since yesterday I still buy at short for USD CHF, because every sideways in daily time frame, you have to look at here, they still sideways right here. But H4 I still like short from here and still hold. At least it seems like maybe, because if you look at H4, what you can see at the first resistance, they cannot close above the resistance level, a lot of rejection, and price close below first resistance, right? What you can see here. So still maybe they just form here and then maybe come down here. Price need to break below first support and then continue to fall, right? And this is a week, so I'm not gonna draw like here. Okay, because what you can see, price is close above, the body close above first support, right? So still have that. UJ, okay, UJ, why I get at this level, you go to the weekly. Okay, I do have extension and I do have projection as well. Price and reject from this level, which is a weekly, is right here. Okay, you could scroll. Here is a swing high. Okay, it's a swing high for the monthly time frame here. Okay, you can see that price is almost breaching, and this is almost sell zone. And what you can see yesterday, price from here to it falling. Okay, I still I don't like, maybe here's too far, but of course if you put the high, like your support here, your TP here, from short here you will get the TP, right? And price, maybe I just put your first support, and second support is right here, is here. So did you buy from here? I did not. Okay, I think price still falling. What about you go to the lower time frame? What you can see, when price go to here, rejection. Okay, you go to the M15, you can see that like price cannot go anywhere, right? It's just within the zone. Okay, well, within the zone you can see there is a price action over here in M15 and price action in the M30, and then within the resistance level, and you can see that after that price falling very strongly and hits the first support and bounce off, and then now it's like, you know, you don't see any momentum already for the UJ. Okay, it's just there. Okay, now let's look at the DXY, sorry, gold before in the webinar. For gold, of course if you look here, okay, everybody say gold is expensive, but you look at H4 here, you just highlight here, what you can see, they cannot make a higher high, they cannot close above the 2,400, right? They cannot close at this level. What you can see here, just spike up, get stop out, and eventually still push the price down and close below first resistance level. Okay, and then maybe what you can see here from what we can see over here, okay, they make a higher high, right? Price still on really strong uptrend, like here. If you were to see here, very strong uptrend, easy to see that, right? And then eventually they break the low. Okay, so basically, like if you want to wait, either you wait at this level and then you will get the, you wait to sell here, you may not get the entry, right? Because you can see the price come to it and then falling. So what you can see here, just highlight the capture at this resistance level, first resistance. Now this is to be your second resistance, meaning that if price break above 23.45, okay, the next entry, which is at 23.60, okay, for the second, should be second resistance right here. And now what you can see here, price still falling because over here is a resistance level, right? And over here is your support, right? You can see that your first support right here, very nice overlap. Price come and close above first support level and still falling. Okay, and of course second one about what I think is right here, okay, which is at 22.62. Okay, 22.62 is what you can see here. What we can use, maybe we can use a extension. Okay, exactly at 161 point extension right here. Okay, for the TP. So basically, if you chart from here, if you hold, either you hold to the second support and then you use your trailing stop loss. Okay, price still falling right here. I'll just highlight, but of course this is quite a big zone. Okay, you may highlight like this. Okay, and price still falling. And this one, this is a head 4. I will adjust because price break what I see here. It's gonna be my first resistance and it's gonna be my second resistance. Okay, so don't you see price pull back here? Okay, and then we're gonna short from here. Not short from here. Okay, we wait for price to pull back at this level. Okay, what we can see here in the lower time frame. Okay, this is a H1 telling you. Okay, adjust somewhere around here. So basically 23, 24, or up to 23 or 32. So we need to see if price come here. Okay, you want to chart from here, just see confirmation M15. Okay, when we see M15, let me see, I see any okay, here we don't see anything, it's just a resistance level. If price come here, another sell zone, which is maybe about 2030 to 2025, about 50 pip. Okay, if short here, and then if price go up to this level, this is another sell entry right here. This is two zone. Okay, first, second resistance, for H4. Basically wait for price to come here, right? And then you short. Or if price really go up, this is another zone, sell zone. Okay, which is this one, around this. That would be 78.6%, right? 61.8, about 61.8. So I will just pick 61 and 50. So this is the zone for you to sell. Okay, and we will see if like price break above 23.25, let's say. Okay, another next sell zone within 50 pip. Okay, so basically your sell zone, I just put 23.25 to 23.30. Okay, sell zone you may consider here. Okay, wait for price to pull back first. Okay, let me know. You can request any pair you want me to have a look for you. Okay, I think I already done USD, JPY, GBP USD. Okay, USD session UJ I'm done, or gold already done. Okay, maybe I'll just look at oil for you guys. Okay, for oil I'm still wait for price to pull here, but they did not. Okay, so I need to just have to find the level again. So basically hit 4. Okay, daily, what you can see here, they cannot make a high, they make a high, they make a lower high. So basically I think daily time frame they might want to change the momentum right here. Okay, let's just I try to find the level for oil. Okay, hit 4, that captures this here. Okay, so basically first support somewhere around here. It at first support already. Let's say bounce up, right? So price still is ranging in hit 4 time frame. Okay, so this is very nice overlap support level, which is we do have extension to support that, right, over here. So you have just wait here. If you now, because we want to buy at sale, right? So this is your sell entry. It's right here. Okay, I will move here. I'm not gonna put my first support. I aim to price to go to my TP support level. But again, if you short here, price falling, you just use either set break even or you telling stop loss. Okay, just put maybe my first support. Where is it? Here. Okay, zoom in hit 4 38.2, I think. Okay, it's about 38.2 right here. So this is your sell zone, right? I will put the price for you here. 82.67 in the lower, and upper is at 82.83. Okay, so we will target that price will come to our extension here. Okay, so but of course if price go up, the next resistance, second resistance is just here. Okay, any pair, if you guys want me to tell you can request. Okay, what pair I have a look, maybe look GJ. Okay, the GJ is already price come to the support level already and bounce off from this level. Okay, this is very nice. You can see that show. This is very nice overlap support, which is price falling. Okay, bounce already. How we get this level? How why price stop right here? We need to look at the bigger picture. What we can see here. Let's just look at monthly time frame. Okay, this is the resistance level, right? You have to look this monthly time frame. This is a monthly candle. They haven't closed yet, right? They haven't closed yet, so we have to wait. But it's their resistance level. Let's go weekly. What do I see over here? This is a weekly time frame. Maybe 61.8. Okay, the top chart is 61.8 right here. Okay, so this is, you identify this one as your first resistance, right? Yeah. What's up a daily? What you can see here? This is projection within with 78.6 up there. Not gonna use it. Okay, this is overlap support level in daily. You can see daily is very nice, right? Very nice here. Let me find the level. I still look, this is my second support. I will see, I will adjust somewhere around here in H4. Okay, now in H4, since they have a swing high, swing low here, that would be 60 or 61.8, just like this, within the zone. So basically this is the zone, right? We still use this zone for the support level. So price bounce off already. Okay, this is the second support. So basically GJ, if you look at 4, it's just a sideways here, right? And eventually break above this resistance level and a pullback. You can see here, if you trade the pullback one, right? Price break, pullback here, you buy up and then you hold, right? You will get the big shot at this level. Yeah, and now price falling here, come to the overlap support and then bounce up here. Okay, so if you want to short, this is your sell what's that? Okay, so this is the first resistance, and I'll put a swing high here. So meaning that if from here you see the rejection, you've been short from this level. Okay, let me just cover Dow Jones. Okay, for Dow Jones, my resistance here, you can see the price falling to my TP, and this is my second TP, and bounce off. Okay, this is end of the trade. Let's just highlight again what we can see here. Okay, H4, this is daily. Okay, daily they make an equal high, so price changing momentum from uptrend to downtrend. Okay, for daily time frame, we can use the Fibo, and then I think we can use 50 to, this is your first resistance. Okay, and we do have like 50% fib level. I just put 50% first. Okay, go to H4. Okay, that's why I get this level, and I think in the lower time frame you will see the bad divergence right here. There's like shot from here, and then I aim for first TP ish over here, and then they come for like, you know, TP right here. Okay, so now, and again, if you look here, this is your sell zone, right? Your first sell zone, which is already done when price come. Okay, and a second resistance right here. Okay, your price still come to this, make like that, come here and then falling. I'm not sure, we need to wait for price to come to this zone, and then you see the any price action, you're gonna short from here. For example, price come here in H4, I think there is a divergence somewhere around here versus the RSI. Do we have an RSI? Yep, here, right over here. What you can see that price make a higher high, right? The indicator is make a lower low, higher low. You can just double click to make it bigger, right? You can see that. Okay, so that's why you get a short from this level. When divergence is happen at the resistance or support, it's a very strong one, and it has to happen at the higher time frame, which is in the H4. Okay, that's why you short from here. And so where is my support level? I just put here at my just identify at the swing low support, like maybe put first support right here. It's not very strong one, but I put this my second support is a swing low support level. It's stretch here, I think it's just right here. Okay, here, this very nice overlap support level. There's a price stop here, right? And now maybe we wait for New York market, and then you will see. I think that could be 50 to 61. Okay, slightly below here. You may highlight the zone as well. Okay, for the kicks in support. Okay guys, that's all for today. Okay, thank you so much for joining. Okay, I hope you can learn something. If you want to take with Martingale strategies, all right, just have trade management. Okay, all right guys, thank you so much. Have fun. Okay, happy trading. See you again in the next webinars. Bye for now.